what the fuck are you doing? What's that weird noise you're doing?
Oh, hey, you like it? I'm bird calling. I'm calling to the birds. I'm talking to the birds. Dude.
Man, that's bird calling? There's no such thing.
Yes, there is. I'm calling the birds. Ah! See?
But there's no birds calling back. How do you even call for birds? It makes no sense. It's impossible. You can't, that just doesn't work.
Yes, it does. I talk to the birds all the time.
It really doesn't, I don't think it works that way. It doesn't work that way. I'm sorry to break it to you, but people have been lying to you. Birds don't sound, it doesn't work, okay? It doesn't fucking work. It doesn't exist. You don't talk to birds.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you do. I do it all the time.
You just don't. You don't. It doesn't work like that.
Oh my god. Is that a fucking bird? What is that thing? Uh-huh, yeah. I told you. I talk to birds. I call for them all the time.
Back to the beat.